वेलकम टू आंचल योगा। माय नेम इज आंचल तोमर। आज हम प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं चंद्र नमस्कार। आपने सूर्य नमस्कार तो सुना ही होगा, वैसे ही चंद्र नमस्कार भी प्रैक्टिस किया जाता है। बहुत पॉपुलर नहीं है बट इसके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट होते हैं। जिनकी बॉडी में पित्त दोष बहुत बढ़ जाता है, उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए ये प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छी है। नमस्कार में आप राइट साइड से शुरू करते हैं और राइट साइड खत्म करते हैं, बट आप चंद्र नमस्कार में राइट साइड से शुरू करते हैं और दूसरी साइड बैठ के खत्म करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट हियर। सो maintain distance between your feet like hips distance width here. Roll back your shoulders, make sure your tailbone is tucked. So you're not somewhere like this, you tuck your tailbone properly, stomach slightly engaged. Now from here, reach your hands up, stretch your whole body up. We will do Ardha Chandrasana. So inhale, reach your hands up, exhale, bend to the left side. Just make sure you're not leaning forward or too much back. Just in line with your body and not pushing the hips too out. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale. We're going in the Devi Asana. So take the toes 45 degree out. As you breathe in, hands up. Exhale. आप Devi Asana में आते हैं। Just check आपकी knee cap आपके second और third toe की तरफ point करिए. It's not going outward like this. So try to open your thighs properly and take your elbow as at your shoulder level. Hold. Breathing in, come up. Take the left heel 45 degree out and right foot 90 degree angle here. We are going in the Trikonasana from the Devi Asana. So inhale, hands up. Exhale, just bending from your hips, pressing the pinky toe of the left foot. And you're reaching your left hand up. दोनों हाथ एक दूसरे के ऊपर. And you don't go like this. If you have any problem going down, you can use your brick or feel free to go up and make it a correct posture. Your body is not leaning forward. Exhale completely here. As you breathe in, turn your body. You want to take the back foot little closer, you can take it. We are going in the Parsavottanasana. So you can turn your body if you want. Inhale, hands up, or you can directly make a transition from here too. Exhale, again you need break. Feel free to take the break or maybe your hand on your hips or on your thigh. Just make sure you're not hyperextending this knee. So slightly bend is good here. Try to square your hips and try not to round your back and hinge from your hips. So bending from your hips, making this crease a little bit more deeper. Breathe out, gaze drishti at your toe. पूरी नजर आपकी right toe पे. Good job. Exhale, bend your front knee, drop the back knee and rise up in Anjaneya Asana. Raise your hands up here, square your hips. Again, front stomach is away from your stomach away from your front quadricep. You are engaging your core a little bit here. Exhale, make it a transition in the Skandasana. So take the support of the floor if you want and take this left toe facing up here. Now you can do many modification in this one. If this is not comfortable for you, you have less flexibility and a tension in your ankle, you can be on your toe like this. Take the support of the brick maybe in front of you, or you can sit on the brick too. So whatever variation works for you, go for that. Alright, now we are making the transition in the Malasana. So breathing in, go forward to the center here. Walk your right foot, left foot to the center and come in the Malasana. Just check your spine is straight and opening your thighs. Sitting properly here. Kamar Siddhi. You're not sitting like this. And as you breathe out, take the hand to the left side and reach the right foot out here like this. Again, make it a Skandasana to left side now. If your height is more than me, you can just simply take this left foot slightly out and extend the right foot if your mat is not enough for you. As you breathe in, turn your right knee to the ground and rise up in Anjaneya Asana from here. Breathe out, hands on the floor, tuck your back toe and make it a Parsavottanasana or pyramid pose. Again, try to keep your spine straight. Gaze at your toe. Stomach pulled in slightly. you make it a triangle pose from here only. So breathing out till reach your right hand up here. Try to square your hips a little bit and press your pinky toe of the right foot. If you need to come slightly up, feel free to come up. Just make sure your neck is not hanging, it's in line with your body. And your shoulder is not falling forward, you're pushing it away from the floor. Exhale, slowly from here rise up. Turn your left toe 45 degree, right toe 45 degree. Just find balance. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, Devyasana. Good. Inhale, slowly get up. Exhale, come to the left side. Again, your feet are hips width apart. Inhale, reach your hands up. Tuck your tailbone. Engage your core. Exhale, bend to the right side. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the center. Hands down. So we did from the right to left, and the same way you will go from the left to right. Are you ready? Let's do this. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, bend to the right side. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left for Ardha Chandrasana. Inhale to the center. Exhale, Devyasana. Sink down. Inhale, come up. From Devyasana to triangle pose. From triangle to Parsavuttanasana, square your hips. Keep the front knee slightly soft here. Just see if you can fold forward, square your hips. Just imagine you are holding something between your thighs like pillow or maybe brick. Inhale, drop the right knee down, Anjani Asana. Exhale. Now Anjani Asana to Skandasana. Bring this right foot to the center, left foot to the center, Malasana. Walk your right foot out. Support of your hands if you need. Left foot out, Skandasana. Anjani Asana to right side. Parsavuttanasana to right side. Inhale, and as you breathe out, triangle pose. Inhale, rise up, Devyasana. Inhale, finish to the right side, maintain hips distance. Reach your hands up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale to center, bend to the left. Inhale to center. And exhale, hands to the chest. You can practice 3 to 5 rounds easily. Don't overdo. Aggregate your Vata dosha as well. So if you enjoyed this practice, I will see you again. Namaste.